I've been feeling trapped in a loop for some time. Every day seems the same. This is because I have not been having a good or decent morning routine. How we begin our day decides the quality of everything we do throughout that day. So by starting my day in a gloomy way and not being intentional, I indirectly ruin my whole day and end up not making the most out of that day. So here are 5 simple things to do every single morning that will surcharge your day in a way that can make you make the most out of it. Number 1, begin your day with gratitude. We as humans tend to look at the bad things in life. We tend to focus on the bad rather than focus on the good. We tend to see the glass half empty rather than half full. And that should not be our vibe. Focusing on the good things in life will make you a much more happier person, and that is a simple habit you have to add to your daily morning routine. Number 2, do the small things right. So the small thing includes making your bed in the morning. Making your bed in the morning makes you feel productive, and then you will channel that productive energy throughout your whole day, and that will just make your day much better. So doing the small things right will make you feel more productive, and then you channel that energy throughout your whole day, and I swear to you, that will make you happy and that will make you more productive. Number 3, resolve to have a positive vision. Now when you resolve to make your day a good day, you wake up in the morning and then you repeat to yourself, today is going to be a great day. That is going to change your whole day. You are going to channel that positive energy, that positive vision throughout your whole day, and no matter the challenge, no matter the blessing, you will definitely be happy, and you'll be able to you'll be able to take on that day despite the challenge. Most people don't start the days like this. And I promise you, if you start your day like this, you're definitely going to see a change. Definitely get your life back on track. Number 4, trust in the broader plan. I am a strong believer of the saying that everything that happens to you happens for a reason. If you failed this exam, it happened for a reason. But it happened for a reason, maybe because you didn't study, or maybe there is a broader plan, there is a bigger picture to everything. So you wake up in the morning, say to yourself, whatever is going to happen today, whatever hardship, whatever challenge, whatever anything happens, is going to happen for a reason. And then the last one, decide to help someone. There is no better feeling in this world than the feeling you get from helping someone in a time of need. Just putting a smile on someone's face, that is definitely one of the best feelings ever. And adding that to your morning routine, adding that to your daily routine will make you so much more happier, so much more grateful, so much more at peace with the world, and so much more balanced. So by doing all these things every single morning, I'm certain my day and yours will be awesome. We will start to have an amazing day. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If this video is helpful to you, please like and comment down below what you think they called this. Subscribe and turn on the post notifications so you don't miss any of my new videos whenever I upload. I upload every Friday by 5:30 p.m. West African time. Okay, I love you. Bye-bye.